So we're back at AJ Sports. I've had this bat for about four months, and I've been using it extensively in matches and in the nets. So recently, what happened, and that was quite an odd thing, that the bat broke from the back. So usually you would find issues at the edges or on the toe, but on the toe it was perfectly fine. The bat actually broke from the bat, and if you look at it, these are the markings of the cracks that appeared on the bat, and they are on the both sides of the bat. So I bought it here to get it repaired. They glued it, they put a bandage on it. I think the bat is still in a good enough shape for it to be used. The ping is excellent, the bat is excellent, but I think one of the things, and if CA is listening to this, I think this is very important. One of the things that CA has gone to extreme measures is doing this carving on the bat. I think this is what is creating this issue, because both of these cracks appeared right from where the CA, this portion of the bat, basically the cracks appeared exactly where the carving on the bat is. So if you look at it, this basically appeared from the A side of it, and this appeared from the C side of it. So from that perspective, if I look at the other bat, which is the Gray Nichols Legend, they do this kind of printing as well, but they do minimal of it, which kind of makes it easier for the bat to last longer. But CA, because they have gone overboard with it, this is why these cracks are actually appearing. So how did we get it fixed? They had to open it up. They had to put glue inside just to make sure that that this stays as it is. They then had to put it in the pressing machine to make sure that it was pressed for a couple of days, and then they just put this bandage on it to be sure that this doesn't happen again. One of the things that I'm really interested in looking at right now is to see how's the ping of the bat after it has been repaired, just to see if it still has that kind of a ping on it. A lot of people said that the toe will give away on these bats, just like what all the CA bats does. The toe usually gives away. I think it was the knocking at AJ Sports that actually helped the toe to survive. I've had a lot of blows to the toes, and believe me, it didn't break at all. So I think knocking, taking it to the nets, then taking it to the game is the right approach with it. Other than that, like I said, still a brilliant bat. The balance is amazing, the weight is amazing, but when you're spending something like 3,000 dirhams on a bat like this, which is a premium bat, and you have these issues where none of my bats previously have ever broken from the backside, this is really disheartening, and I think CA really needs to up their game to make sure that they produce bats that can last a long time. I can understand if the bat is broken from the edges where you're not playing straight bat shots, but from the back, it's just, it doesn't make sense. Honestly, it doesn't make sense. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a ping test just to make sure that the bat is fine. Once we have done that, we're going to put scuff sheet on it again just to make sure we protect it. And then I'll take it to the game. Just to be sure, this is just going to be the last review of the bat. We're not going to do any more reviews. If you're buying a CA Legend, it's a beautiful bat. Definitely should buy it, but be careful that these bats can break, and this thing has happened with me, which was quite unfortunate. So one thing that we are checking is the weight of the bat, and it's surprising because when I bought the bat, the stickers on it said 2.8. When we weighed the bat after it was knocked, it was 2.72, and when I'm putting on the scale after it has been bandaged, it's coming to about 2.5. So from that perspective, I think the bat is extremely light. So that's beautiful, because getting this kind of a bat or this kind of a profile with 2.5 is near impossible. Now we're gonna do the ping test. We've got one old ball and we've got a new ball. So I just want to make sure that the bat is Bat is still fine when I do the ping test, and as you can see, the ping is just amazing on that. And then let's try it with the new ball. And as you can see, the ball is just flying off the bat as usual. So just to end this review, unfortunately the bat broke, but it's still fixable. If I'm buying another bat that is in the high ranges, I think next time I'm gonna go with the Grey Nichols, because I want to make sure that whatever I'm buying, it's able to survive the blows that happen in this weather on these kind of pitches, and at least for the bat to last longer. But if you like the brand CA, you want to go for the best CA bat, not a bad option. Not entirely a bad option, but I think if CA wants to improve this more, they need to get rid of the engraving. Reduce it so it doesn't fall on half of the bat. Make sure they don't go as deep as they're going on these bats. I hope CA is listening to it. The person who I bought it from, the dealer in Pakistan, I did write to him and I did tell him to complain to CA about this issue happening, because this is not, again, very unfortunate for a bat of this caliber, for a bat of this price, to fall victim of such an incident. But again, I love the bat. I think it's an amazing piece of willow. The clefts are amazing. The workmanship is amazing, and I like the bat quite a lot. So thank you, and please, if you like the videos, subscribe, comment on it, and if you have any questions, please you can ask them on the comments, and we'll get back. Thank you.